What's up, guys? We're doing a vlog right now. Ryan, say hi.
Hey, what's up?
So, yeah, for this part of the vlog, we're on bikes. End it. All right. So the plan is for today. We think we might just. We're probably just gonna go and bike up to a gas station or Walgreens or something like that, and if we have enough time before it gets dark out, since the sun's going down, we might go to the bike trail. So yeah, I'll cut some of the video. Alright guys, update, we just crossed over the highway in the intersection. So there's there. Yeah? Alright. And so yeah, we're just going around doing whatever. Jesus, it's hard to ride with one hand. I'm recording this with a phone in case you don't know. So, oh frick. There's like two huge curves right here. Alright, we're good. We Gucci. Here, I'll take the lead. Alright, yeah, we're gonna decide where to go and I'll start the vlog again. Alright guys, so, yeah. We made it down to the bike trail. It's a little bit, it's like evening. Go on, Ryan.
I'm gonna go ahead of you.
Sure, if you want.
I'll go ahead.
Alright, wait, actually, alright, sure, you can go ahead. So, I'll just be filming Ryan for now. It's pretty windy, so the sound quality might be kind of bad. Alright? Sound good? Dude, there's a fox. Right. No, look. There's a deer.
Where?
Right there. It's right.
Where is it?
Right there.
You see a fox?
No. Right, there's a deer. Back up. Do you see it? Sorry, you two, but you probably can't see this. There's a deer looking straight at us right there. Ryan, do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
It looks like a stray dog.
Yeah,
From where I was.
Can't really get any video quality. That's good. So yeah, we're just gonna keep biking. It's running.
Go get it.
It's running. Come on, Ryan. Deer. The deer's running.
Going that way.
It's a little baby deer.
You thought it was a fox?
Yeah, I thought it was a fox. All right, so we're gonna stop right here. Stop here for a little bit. And yeah, look, there's the dad deer. Ah!
Oh, there's more.
Oh, look, that's the baby deer that we just saw. They're running into the woods. All right, Ryan, let's get some video.
Alright.
Oh yeah,
Is the bike here?
yeah. Here, like you can kind of put it a little bit off to the side. Just make sure they don't fall in.
Alright, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Just steady-ish? Yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit. So this is a huge like creek.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, one time I was here and there was like 30 snakes in the water. Now there's like 6 and I caught one. It was great. Yeah, there's typically like a bunch of fish and snakes here. There's so much wildlife out here. I almost hit a squirrel today. He ran right in front of me on the way here. So yeah.
Can you skip rocks?
Yeah. Ooh, that was a nice one. I don't hear that on video though.
You didn't?
A big splash.
Big splash.
Yeah, 2. All right, let's.
We're going back? Are we going to?
Let's go to the other side of this.
Well, you missed that. That was 5.
All right, guys. So
yeah, I got
we're walking
5.
over this cliff.
Ripples in the water.
Just go ahead and listen about here. It says, "Hello, who there?" I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like
Just
30.
listen.
Probably should have put some bugger pond on. All right, over here, if you see, this is the Did you say that?
What?
Did you say don't do this? Did you say that?
No. What?
No.
What? I put my bike down.
Oh, that was it. All right. Yeah. You want to
You want to end it
continue,
here and you want to ride to
or do you want to continue on the trail for a little bit?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
All right, guys. So we decided we're gonna continue on this trail for a
Dude, we
little
should have
bit.
went to go find the deer. Like, if it was a big day, we should have gone to find the deer.
Yeah, but it's getting dark. We don't want to go too far away.
All right, let's go.
All right, so we're gonna go.
We heard leaves rustling, so we decided to just turn
Jeez,
around.
what the heck? My
Yeah,
thing just
and
switched to, like,
we're gonna play the clip a few more times for you guys.
we're still
The
filming.
creepy clip with the people talking.
All right, over here, if you see, this is the. Did you say that?
What?
Did you say don't do this? Did you say that?
What?
No.
What? I put my bike down.
Oh, that was it. All right. Yeah. You want to
You want to end
continue,
it here and you want to ride to
or do you want to continue on the trail for a little bit?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
All right, guys. So we decided we're gonna continue on this trail for a
Dude, we
little
should have
bit.
went to go find the deer. Like, if it was a big day, we should have gone to find the deer.
Yeah, but it's getting dark. We don't want to go too far away.
All right, let's go.
All right, so we're gonna go. Jeez, what the heck? All right, over here, if you see, this is the. Did you say that?
What?
Did you say don't do this? Did you say that?
Heck?
Yeah. So, guys, I don't really feel like that, but so we just watched over that block part again, because as you heard or not, I thought I heard someone talking. But yeah, this is our turn. Can you press the button to go across?
Yeah.
It's the far button. So like we were watching it over again, and yeah, as you heard, like I thought I heard someone talking. We watched it over, and yeah, someone was talking. And then we heard like a big leaf rustle. So we just got
Yeah,
out.
dude, we left. We're gonna go to Walgreens now.
Probably the clowns or like a homeless dude. Oh, light green. Yeah, but we decided to change our course. We're going to Walgreens, guys. Yeah, we're going to Walgreens and a gas station. Yeah, so we'll talk to you guys when we get to Walgreens. All right, guys, so Ryan's gonna get a milkshake.
Yep. Cotton candy.
Yeah, so go ahead.
Another thing. All right. So
Lid,
what do I
cup in the blender.
put? Clip in the
Wait,
blender.
Ryan, so what do you want? Less thick, more thick, or regular thickness?
I'm gonna do regular thick. Is that cool?
I don't really care, it's yours.
Whoa.
Chicken legs.
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
You like took it in there.
Yeah, I took it all the way inside to the cheek. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but
Well, see, like it like took it in there.
so we're making a loud noise.
Yeah. It's funny. Choose your thickness.
You send that to everyone?
Yeah.
Alright, look, it's coming out, guys. Looks very nice. Oh, jeez, water just dripped all over my phone. Jeez. Alright, take out your milkshake.
Whoa.
Oh, jeez, that smells like good cotton candy, doesn't it?
Let me see. Look at it.
Look at the juicy dropped up.
Does it drop off?
You want to get something around, or you good?
What?
Guys, so we're leaving the store. Ryan got a smoothie.
It's actually pretty good.
And yeah, I got like guys, so we're leaving the gas station.
A+.
Thank you, A+. Like your service. It's getting sort of dark out.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head back home, have like a little strobe light party, and we might wrap up our vlog. We might make a second one tomorrow if we have time. But yeah, we're just gonna head home. Yeah, guys, by the way, just that thing at the park, like whatever it was, clown, old man.
Yeah, dude, that was
Creepy.
Dude, it like.
So scary. Yeah, all right.
Hey, what park is that? What park is that?
I don't know. It was just a bike trail. All right, yeah. Yeah, guys, we're going over the bridge. Okay, come on. Sorry for the video quality. We got no railing. We don't want to get full. We don't want to fall off and be hit by a car. That would be very bad. Yeah. So we're on our way home from this vlog. My first vlog. Hopefully a second one should be coming out tomorrow. Depends on. Yeah, Ethan and Trip might be in it, my friends. So, yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about this channel, I guess. All right, just go across. Yeah, go across. So yeah, this channel we might be doing like games, airsoft, good stuff like that, reviews, and more. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. This isn't the end of the video though, but yeah, I guess we might just cut to the basement or something. Guys, we just got back. Sorry for the awful lighting. We're at my house now. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, my nuts hurt from riding this bike.
Good.
Alright guys, so yeah, me and Ryan got home. We're playing some basketball. Can't really see us at all. The lighting is honestly awful. Yeah.
Oh.
We're playing some basketball. And his milkshake is so good.
That's awesome. That's so
good.
cool. They should have that in every like gas station.
Yeah, and so we're probably gonna do part 2 of the vlog tomorrow. Might go a little bit further on the bike trail. Might go around.
Yeah, it's just really dark, so we're gonna have to finish it tomorrow.
Yeah, clown sighting too, or whatever it was.
Yeah, dude, that was kind of creepy still.
All right, so yeah. All right, guys, that should wrap up the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.